Hi. Beautiful weather today, right? Hi. Beautiful weather today, right?
Hi. Yes, finally warm. Hi. Yes, finally warm.
Yes. Perfect for a walk. Yes. Perfect for a walk.
Do you come here often? Do you come here often?
I come here almost every day after work. I come here almost every day after work. Do you live nearby? Do you live nearby?
Yes. 5 minutes from here. Yes. 5 minutes from here. I just moved here 2 weeks ago. I just moved here 2 weeks ago.
Really? Welcome. The city is nice. Really? Welcome. The city is nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm 23. And you? I'm 23. And you?
I'm 24. I'm 24.
Cool. I work as a designer. What about you? Cool. I work as a designer. What about you?
I'm a photographer. I'm a photographer.
That's interesting. That's interesting. I love reading and yoga. You? I love reading and yoga. You?
I love taking pictures and cycling. I love taking pictures and cycling.
Nice. Do you want to walk to the lake together? Nice. Do you want to walk to the lake together?
Let's go. Let's go.
Great. I'm Zoya, by the way. Great. I'm Zoya, by the way.
I'm Leo. Nice to meet you, Zoya. I'm Leo. Nice to meet you, Zoya.
It was really nice to meet you, Leo. It was really nice to meet you, Leo.
Yes, me too. Yes, me too.
Same time tomorrow? Same time tomorrow?
Deal. Bye-bye. Deal. Bye-bye.
Awesome. See you. Awesome. See you.